The only 5 exercises you need to do after age 50 plus. After 50, your body changes, muscles weaken, joints stiffen, and balance starts to fade. But here's the truth. You don't need an intense gym routine to stay strong and youthful. You just need 5 essential exercises, scientifically proven to keep you moving, pain-free, and full of energy. Hi friends, if you're over 50 and want to feel stronger, more flexible, and more confident in your movement, this video is for you. Today, I'll show you the only 5 exercises your body truly needs to maintain strength, stability, and vitality, no matter your age or fitness level. Exercise 1. Squats. First up, the squat, the foundation of strength and independence. Every time you stand from a chair, use the toilet, or climb stairs, you're essentially doing a squat. Here's how. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart. Push your hips back as if sitting in a chair. Keep your chest tall, and don't let your knees go past your toes. Push through your heels to stand back up. Do 2 to 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps, 3 times per week. If you need extra support, use a chair behind you for stability. Squats strengthen your thighs, glutes, and core, helping prevent falls, improve balance, and make everyday movements effortless. This one exercise alone can slow muscle loss, improve bone density, and give you the foundation for an active life well into your 70s and 80s. Exercise 2. Push-ups. Next, the push-up, a timeless move for upper body strength. Don't worry, you don't have to drop to the floor to start. Wall or countertop push-ups are just as effective for beginners. Here's how. Stand facing a wall. Place your hands slightly wider than shoulder width. Step back until your body forms a straight line. Lower your chest toward the wall, then push back to start. Do 2 to 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps, 3 to 4 times per week. Push-ups strengthen your chest, shoulders, arms, and core, making lifting, carrying, and pushing easier. They also improve posture, helping counter the rounded shoulders that come from sitting or working at a desk. As you get stronger, progress to knee or full push-ups on the floor. This single movement builds confidence and power with every rep. Exercise 3. Glute bridge. Now let's protect your lower back with the glute bridge. Strong glutes are the key to balance, posture, and pain-free movement. Here's how. Lie on your back with knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Tighten your core and lift your hips toward the ceiling. Hold for 3 seconds, then slowly lower. Do 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps, 3 times weekly. This exercise strengthens your hips, glutes, and hamstrings, supporting your spine and improving mobility. It's especially great for people who sit often or experience back stiffness. Bonus: glute bridges also improve circulation in your lower body, keeping your joints healthy. Exercise 4. Bird dog. Next is the bird dog, a gentle yet powerful core and balance builder. Here's how. Get on your hands and knees. Extend your right arm forward and left leg backward. Hold for 3 to 5 seconds, then return to start and switch sides. Do 10 reps per side. Bird dogs train your balance and coordination while strengthening your back and abdominal muscles. This move keeps your spine stable, reduces the risk of injury, and improves control in your everyday activities, from bending over to walking on uneven ground. It's low impact, joint friendly, and perfect for all fitness levels. Exercise 5. Heel raises. Finally, the heel raise, a simple but underrated move for strong calves and ankle stability. Hold onto a chair, rise onto your toes, hold for 2 seconds, then lower. Do 3 sets of 15 reps daily. This move strengthens your calves, improves balance, and helps prevent falls. It also enhances circulation in your legs, vital for healthy aging and pain-free walking. And there you have it, the only 5 exercises you truly need after age 50. Squats, push-ups, glute bridges, bird dogs, and heel raises cover strength, balance, flexibility, and endurance, all in one simple routine. Do them consistently, and your body will thank you. Hit that like button, subscribe for more healthy aging tips, and comment below. Which exercise will you start today? Comment your exercise pick below. Your journey to stronger knees and happier joints begins now.